Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new here, my name is Vera and this channel is about beauty, health, skincare, hair, motherhood, just a little bit of everything. So if any or all of this interests you, kindly subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button below and turn your notification on. Very important, because that's the only way you're going to know when I upload new videos. So today I want to show you how to make a face wash. In one of my videos I told you it's wrong to use a body soap on your face. You're supposed to have a face wash because our face is sensitive and soft. And you guys, you know how much I like to make my stuff, because when you use a DIY product, you know exactly what you apply on your skin. So this face wash is gonna help you reduce wrinkles, shrink large pores, clear dark spots, blackheads and acne. It's gonna brighten your skin and make you glow. Please make sure to watch till the end and see what you need to make the face wash, how to make it and how to use it too. So come with me. The first thing we're going to need is a potato. Yeah, I've already washed it. So we're going to be needing half of it. Go ahead and cut it and then peel it. Potato is so good on the skin. It reverses skin tanning and problems like hyperpigmentation. It reduces fine lines and wrinkles too. Potato is also good at diminishing dark circles and puffy eyes. It can also clear acne too. Like, it's so good on the skin. You're gonna need your blender. Okay, so cut it in smaller pieces and put in the blender and set aside. Next thing we need is our milk. I'm using a powdered milk, but you can use whole milk, like liquid milk, whole milk, 1%, 2%, even evaporated milk too is fine. Why we need milk for this face wash is because it contains lactic acid that deep cleanses pores and removes acne causing bacteria that gets accumulated on the surface of your skin during the day. So add 1 tablespoon. Then the next thing that we'll need is turmeric. You already know turmeric is very good on the skin because it provides glow and luster to our skin. Go ahead and add 1 teaspoon. Next thing that I'm going to add is grapeseed oil. Feel free to use whatever oil that you have, but I prefer grapeseed to coconut oil because it penetrates your skin quickly and don't leave your skin feeling oily. It doesn't clog pores too. So add 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little water. Remember, if you used liquid milk, you don't need water. Okay, I'm only adding it because I used powdered milk. So go ahead and blend it. So we go ahead and pour it in a bowl. You see how creamy it is? Yeah. when you want to use this face wash, make sure you don't have any makeup on. Then go ahead and apply it on your skin. Rub it on your skin for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, when you're done, wash it off. You can use it every day. It's fine. It's going to cleanse all the dirt, and to also exfoliate your skin, leaving your skin glowing and beautiful. Make sure to concentrate on the areas where you have dark spots. You guys, you can see the difference already. It's so good, you're gonna love it. And when you're done, pour it in a container and store in your fridge. Okay, you can use it every day. I already said that. Please go ahead now and subscribe if you haven't. Like and share this video too. Okay, check my description box for more of my interesting videos. I'm gonna go ahead now and wash it off, and I will show you what it looks like after using it. This is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please take care of you, show more kindness wherever you are, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.